Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update drivers on your Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop. So if you have recently installed Windows on your laptop or recently set it up, then first of all go to Start menu, open Settings, then select Windows Update at the bottom of the sidebar, and here you'll find a lot of new updates available to download, so click download and install all. If you don't see them, you can check for updates by clicking in this same spot. Make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or to the internet in general. And also, while they are downloading, let's see if we have some additional driver updates to install. Go to advanced options right here. Then on the following page, open optional updates. Now here we'll have some Windows updates. We are not interested in them. However, we are rather interested in driver updates that we can find in this menu. So select drivers that you basically select all the drivers that you have right here. Click download and install and add them to the installation list. And then just wait until all of these drivers are installed. This would be the first step. Okay, and once the first updates are installed, you'll most probably have to restart your computer by clicking Restart Now right here, or just by doing it normally, and this way finish the essential updates. And then we'll continue with the rest if we have any. Okay, so once your laptop is restarted, let's continue this process by opening the Surface application, which has to be pre-installed on your laptop. Open it, then go directly to Help and Support section. Click Check for Updates right here. Okay, and we'll get redirected to the updates. So yeah, but for some reason this way we actually got some new update, although from what I can see it's a preview update, for we don't really need it. So yeah, at this point that's it. All the updates are updated, all the drivers are updated, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.